In this video, I'll show you how to fix Windows has restarted your GPU issue in League of Legends. Now there's a really fast fix that you can try, and it's simply coming in here, start a training or whatever bot game, go into your video, and from in video you want to go to the frame rate cap and you want to lower it. Now I recommend maybe 80 FPS. Try just anything lower than your own. So if you want 144, try 120, see if it works. If it still doesn't, try 80. Now obviously this is a little bit annoying, but it's usually because your GPU cannot handle the FPS in the game. So what you want to do is just lower it and see if it works. Now like I said, I recommend 80, but obviously if you have a really good PC and you can easily go above this, then this might not be the issue. Then another thing we can try is we can head out to our Windows desktop, and let me show you in just a second. Now once you're here, what you want to do is come down here and search for Device Manager. Find your GPU real quick, display adapters, right click on it, update the driver, and then right click disable, right click enable. Just a simple switch like that might as well fix the issue. Now I really hope any of these two methods helped you. If they did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.